And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:43 on this Monday morning. As you step outside, the first thing that you're going to notice besides the mild weather are those gusty winds. So let's take a look right now. Winds are out of the south anywhere between 12 and 22 miles per hour. But look at the wind gusts on the island back up to their 30 miles per hour. 22 and 28 mile per hour wind gusts in Weslaco and in Harlingen. So it has been very breezy since yesterday. Let's go outside, courtesy of Sky 5, to see if we can see any of the trees blowing around or anything. Sometimes you can see this camera shaking back and forth, but it looks like it's starting to kind of calm down a little bit now. Beautiful start to the day. We have the sunrise on the horizon. Officially at 6:56 is when sunrise is, so it is just minutes away. Beautiful start, mild in terms of temperatures. Let's go back to the map. Let me show you what these winds are going to do here coming up in a few minutes. The winds will start to slow down, but temperature-wise, we're going to be right up near 75 by about mid-morning or so, with plenty of sunshine around. 91 is your daytime high. It will be a less breezy as the day goes on. So it's not going to be windy all day long, but for the first half of the day, plan on holding on to those hats. 91 degrees is just above our record of 90 for this time of year. So we could be breaking record temperatures this afternoon. It's all ahead of this cold front. The cold front is about halfway through the Lone Star State. Ahead of that, we're pulling in a lot of moisture, so it'll continue to feel muggy outside. But a lot of the rain is going to stay to the north and east, not impacting the valley. In fact, it's going to be dry. And that cold front is actually going to move in later on this evening. It's not going to bring much of a difference tonight, just slightly cooler weather tomorrow, but really still above average for this time of year even tomorrow. But there's a second cold front that'll arrive early Wednesday morning. So as you start the day, you'll notice, oh, it's a little bit breezy outside. It's also a bit cooler. And then that cooler shot of weather will arrive Wednesday afternoon, and then Thursday and Friday look to be more like average heat for this time of year. By the time we head into the weekend, cloudy and damp conditions take over. There's going to be another cold front that'll bring even cooler temperatures back to the valley. So for the rain chances, really not much going on today, but by tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning with that second front, there could be enough moisture in the area to spark a shower or two, but it is going to be very, very isolated in activity. Not much rain is expected, hardly at all. So much of the valley will remain dry, pretty much like today. Looking at the coastal forecast, we do have advisories to tell you about. Along the bay, there is a small craft advisory through 9 o'clock this morning because the bay is very choppy. Later on, the choppiness will subside to a moderate chop for the second half of the day as the winds slow down. But we also have that small craft advisory for the Gulf waters through 6 o'clock this evening. So just remember that with those gusty winds, the seas will be elevated between about 5 and 9 feet. 91 is your forecast high. Again, it will be a little bit breezy and very hot for this time of year, possibly record-breaking heat today, so we'll keep an eye on that for you. Later on tonight, you'll notice not much difference. There will be increasing cloud cover. Patchy fog is possible after midnight. Low temperatures right around 66. Tomorrow, we'll rebound to 86 degrees, mainly sunny out there. 63 will be your overnight low tomorrow night. And then here comes the cold front early Wednesday morning, and you'll see that it sets us up slightly cooler weather. So we go down 72 degrees for midweek. It will be breezy in the second half of the day. Then by Thursday, we're looking at a good amount of sunshine with temperatures right around average for this time of year. We'll be at 76 all the way through Saturday, but notice the differences. We have Friday where it turns rather cloudy, and again, a few showers are possible for Friday. Even Saturday, we're looking at rain chances right around 20 or 30%, and some of those showers could actually linger and maybe just turn into light drizzle for Sunday. Once that cold front passes by, though, you'll notice the cold shot of weather. Look at this, 76 goes down to 65 to wrap up the 7-day forecast. Your overnight lows for the next couple of nights, mid to lower 60s. We dip down into the low 50s there Wednesday night, and then by Thursday night, we're back a little bit closer to 60, and we're in the mid 60s over the weekend. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.